Let's take a look at these problems. First, we have to eliminate 4 root of 2x plus 1. Remember, anytime we want to eliminate the radical, we're supposed to raise that radical to the power which is equal to the index of the radical. Whatever I did on one side of the equation, in this case on my right side, I have to do also on the left side. I have to raise 2 to the 4th power. 2 to the 4th power is equal 16. This exponent is going to eliminate this radical sign. And I'm going to have 2x plus 1. I want to find value of x. This term 2x is added to 1. I do not want to see this one on the right side. That's why I'm going to move it to the left side. Why I'm moving? Because this one has no x to itself. That's why I have 16 minus 1 equals 2x. 16 minus 1 equals 15 equals 2x. In order to find x, I have to divide both sides equation by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out. X is equal 15 over 2. Let's check if this is correct answer. You have to replace x from your original equation by 15 over 2. So I have 2 equals 4th root of 2 times my x, which is 15 over 2 plus 1. 2 and 2 will cancel out, and I have 2 equals 4th root 15 plus 1. 2 equals 4th root of 16. 16. 2 equals 4th root. To remember, 16 is nothing else, just 2 to the 4th power. This exponent is going to eliminate my radical sign, and I have 2 equals 2. As you can see, left side of my equation is equal to the right side of my equation. That's why x equals 15 over 2 is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Okay, we have a minus 2 raised to the power 3 over 2. Okay, we want to make sure that we are going to eliminate this exponent. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to raise this term to reciprocal of my fraction. Take a look. 3 and 3 will cancel out. 2 and 2 will cancel out. Whatever I did to my left side, I have to do also to my right side. So I have 2 over 3. And I have a minus 2 equals, let's take a look what we can do over here. 27 I can rewrite as 3 to the 3rd power. And this number is raised to the power 2 over 3. Remember, anytime I have power outside of the parentheses and power inside of the parentheses, like in this case, I have to multiply these two exponents. So 3 and 3 will cancel out, and I have a minus 2 equals 3 to the 2nd power. A minus 2 is equal 9. I have to move 2 to my right side. Why? Because there is no a next to 2. And I have a equals 9 plus 2. A equals 11. Let's take a look if this is true. I have a minus 2, so my a is 11, minus 2, and everything is raised to power 3 over 2. Has to be equal 27. 11 minus 2 is equal 9. 2 power 3 over 2 equals 27. 9 is 3 to the second power and exponent 3 over 2. I have to multiply these two exponents, so 2 and 2 will cancel out, and I have 27. In other words, I have 3 to the third power equals 27. 3 to the third power is 27. 27 is equal 27. Left side of my equation is equal to the right side of my equation. That's why answer to my problem is A equals 11.